In this video, we'll explore how to design and use the print page feature within Yeeflow's approval forms. Discover the power of creating custom print layouts to enhance your approval workflows. A print page is your canvas for creating a custom layout designed for printing. It's your tool to transform digital information into formatted hard copies. But when and why should you use a print page? Print pages shine when you need more than just a web page printout. There are three types of forms in an approval process: submission form, task form, and the print page. The print page is your solution for specific scenarios. For routine printouts, you can stick with the web page. But when you need a polished, formal layout, the print page designer steps in. Imagine an employee offboarding process. Various stakeholders need structured documents for reviews and records. That's where the print page shines. Now, let's dive into creating a print page within the Yeeflow Approval Form Designer. Start by clicking the form title at the top left corner. A window pops up displaying all your existing forms. Find the Print Pages section at the bottom. To create a new print page, click Add Print Page. Choose to create a new blank print page or copy from an existing one. Here, we choose New Blank Page and enter the page name. Once created, the Print Page Builder will resemble the form layout. With the print page created, it's time to add controls that tailor it to your needs. In the Controls panel, you have basic components for layout styles, system variables for dynamic content, variables including form fields, and tasks to display workflow history. Drag and drop these controls onto your print page. Arrange them, add titles, descriptions, and dividers. Drag and drop the tables onto the canvas, add titles to the tables, and drag the corresponding controls under the appropriate titles. Before finalizing, click Preview to ensure your print page captures all necessary details. Your custom print page is ready. Now let's integrate it with your approval process. To use the print page, add a print button to your submission or task form. In the Print Buttons Properties panel, customize print button settings. Select your custom print page from the template dropdown and set the color of the print button. After submission, users can click the print button. But remember, the print button only appears after the form is submitted. Let's wrap it up with a live demo. Imagine an employee offboarding approval form, essential when employees leave the company. Create a print page tailored to this process. Click Add Print Page. Choose Copy from an existing page, select Page, and enter page name. You'll see a template of the printed page already made on the right canvas. Then drag and drop the appropriate controls from the left Controls panel to the right form. Preview to ensure perfection. And then add the print button to your approval form. Your custom print page is now an essential part of your approval process. In your published form, the print button is your gateway to this custom print page. Simply click the print button to open your custom print page. Before we conclude, an important tip for maintaining your print page's functionality. As the print page utilizes form variables, if the ID of these variables change later, you'll need to refresh them. Simply remove the outdated variables from the print page and drag and re-add the updated variables to ensure accurate results. In summary, print pages are your design canvas for polished, formatted documents. Create, customize, and integrate to enhance your approval workflows.